Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we are making this delicious jollof pasta, so sit back, let's make it together. So for this recipe I made use of some chicken breast. You can make use of any protein of your choice. So to steam the chicken, I made use of some onions, some black pepper. I added some curry powder. I also added some dried thyme, and then lastly I went in with some salt. I gave it a gentle mix, and then I covered, allowed to cook for 5 minutes without adding water. So this was exactly after 5 minutes. You guys can see the amount of water that came out on its own. So it's always advisable to steam your protein without adding water at first. So at this point I went in with some water. I gave it a gentle mix and I covered to cook properly. Now let's proceed to making our sauce for the pasta. I sauteed some onions and hot oil, and then I went in with some ginger and garlic. I gave that a quick fry for about 2 minutes. So after that I went in with my pepper mix. I made use of Tatashi, Scotch bonnet pepper and Shumbo. I gave that a quick fry for about 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes I introduced my tomato paste. Now you can fry your tomato paste first before frying your pepper, whichever way is better. What matters is they are well fried at the end of the day. So I seasoned with some curry powder and nutmeg powder, and then I gave that a gentle fry. At this point I introduced my cooked chicken. So I just mixed everything thoroughly and I just allowed everything to come together. So at this point I introduced my chicken stock or chicken broth. I gave it a gentle mix and I added a little bit of pasta water off camera. I just gave it a gentle mix here, and I went in with my chopped carrots. Just mixed everything together, and lastly I went in with my chopped bell peppers. I made use of green, yellow and red bell peppers. I mixed everything thoroughly for 2 minutes. So at this point I introduced my cooked pasta. This pasta is 95% cooked. So I added a little bit of the pasta water, and then I mix for the pasta and the sauce to marinate very well. After that I allowed it to simmer for just 2 minutes, and guys, it is ready. Trust me, this pasta was so delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.